can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I wanted something very kind of natural on my eyelids, and then on my lower lash line I wanted like a pop of color. I added some glitter on top of that, and I have no words. I love it. It looks so pretty. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to tap the notification bell. So the bell basically is going to notify you whenever I post a new video, and of course you want that, right? Because you want to know when I post a new video. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer you. And without further ado, let's begin the video. I'm going to be using my Tartelette Toasted by Tarte, which looks like this. The packaging is so pretty, I swear. And this is the colors. It is so pretty. So for my eyeshadow today, I am gonna be doing very like neutral, not so vibrant on my eyelid. But in the bottom, I'm gonna do like a pop of color. So I'm gonna be taking my Morphe M504 brush, and I'm gonna be using Cashmere, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna apply that all over my eyelid basically. But I'm mainly gonna focus the color on my crease. Now I'm taking Warmth, which is this one right over here, and I'm just gonna put that on my outer V of my lid right here, and I'm using the same brush. So I only used this palette a couple times and I'm already in love. The way these shadows go on your lid are easy to blend, easy to apply, easy to distribute on your brush and distribute on your eyelid. It's just so easy to work with. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Latte right here, and I'm gonna put that right here on the outside of my crease. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the color Cozy right here, and I'm mainly gonna focus that color on the outer part of my eye. I'm gonna be using my Morphe M513 brush, and I'm going in lightly with this color just because it is darker, and I want to start off light and then work my way up. Just like that. And I'm gonna go back in with my brush that I was applying Latte, and I'm just gonna blend that up a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with my brush that I was using, my transition color, and blend it on top. I'm gonna grab more of the color Cozy and just apply it on my outer V. I'm using my Morphe M417 brush to deposit the color better. Now I'm just going to pick up a little bit of Fireside, which is this dark color right here. Just a tad bit. And I'm going to put it right there just to give it a little depth in my eyeshadow. And I'm lightly blending it. Just going to go back in and start blending those two colors together. I'm going to apply that color Fireside more right here just because I feel like I took it off right now that I was blending it. So now for the lid, I'm going to be using Sunset, which is this one right over here. I'm going to try applying that with my finger. I don't want to use a brush, but I'm still going to have to because I can't really get in there. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the color Candle, which is this one right over here. And I'm going to apply that just at the very front of my lid. Okay, so now that we're done with the top of my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes using my House of Lashes eyelash curler. And for mascara, I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original Mascara in the shade Black is Black. Okay, I'm not going to put too much, just a little bit. So now for my face primer, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier foundation primer, and it's the hydrating one. I'm just going to put that all over my face. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 220, and shake this very good. So I switched to a brush, and I'm using my MAC 170. So for concealer, I'm using my Tarte Light Medium Honey. gonna pinch my sponge to get that line that I want and highlight. I am gonna be using my Fenty Beauty matchsticks, and these are cream bronzers, and I'm just gonna do a line like that. So to blend that out, I'm using my Morphe E8 brush. Looks just like this. So I like swirling it. Okay, so for my nose, I'm just gonna pinch my brush and just try to blend that out in the same direction, just because I don't want it to be moving around different places. Then I'm using my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in the color Bronze. So for my lower lash line, I'll be using my Smashbox Bold Eye Palette, and I'm going to be using the yellow shade right here. I'm going to apply that all over my lower lash line. So now I'm going to go in with a blue color right here. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and it's in the shade Never Ending Navy. So it looks like this. Okay, so even though this shade is a little darker, I'm gonna go back in with that same blue shade and just put it on top. Okay, so for lashes, I'm gonna be using my Makeup Shack lashes in the style Dubai. So now I'm gonna put some glitter in my lower lash line, and I'm just gonna put like a sprinkle, like a little line right here. And I'm gonna be using my Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the palm of my hand, and I'm gonna be using my BH Cosmetics brush, so it's so small and detailed like this. And I'm using like the very tip of it. I'm gonna be using my NYX glitter, and it's in the shade Teal. It's so pretty. So I'll be grabbing the same brush. Do you see it? How it just like made my whole look. So now I'll be setting my whole face with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just gonna be pressing into the skin. It would have been smarter if I applied this before I apply the glitter, but I don't know what I was thinking, so the rest I'm just gonna press into my skin. So now I am gonna be dusting away my translucent powder. Now I'm gonna be using my Morphe brush. I'm just gonna dust that away a little bit. Okay, so for blush, I'm using my Morphe M530 brush, and I'm gonna be using my MAC Pinch Me. And I'm going in with the light hand and slowly bringing it up. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty in the shade Hustler Baby. So it's this one right over here. And I'll put some in my Cupid's bow. And just because I'm feeling a little glittery today, I'm going to apply some to my brow bone as well. So for my lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with Soft Brown by NYX. And I'm just going to bring in the color a little bit in. I'm going to be using my Dose of Colors No Shade. Now I am going to go back in with my lip liner and just make sure there's no harsh lines. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.